26 CR 921 Traml appearances.
Daniel Cohn on behalf of the people. Mr. Traml is present.
Pro se.
On bond, pro se. Looks like last time we were in court, he was asking for extra time to potentially hire counsel.
I had, on April 6th, I indicated to you that you should apply for the public defender's office. Did you do that?
Yes, ma'am. No, I did not.
You didn't qualify?
In that time, a lot's transpired.
Okay.
Did you get the notice that I submitted into the case?
The letter?
Yes.
Did you get it, Mr. Cohen?
Let me check real quick. Yes, I do see that.
So your, did you have first and foremost, I'll indicate to you that I am not an administrative law judge.
Okay.
All right. But it looks like based on what you were asking in here is that you're asking for restitution. That is not something that can be done out of this case.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
And you're invoking a number of other,
Yes, I mean, given the nature that there's no injured party or no damage to property, I have a concern with an administrative court hearing
I'm not an
judicial matter.
administrative court.
You're not, this is not an administrative?
No, this is part of the judicial branch. This is
an
not part
Article
of
3
the,
court?
excuse me?
This is an Article 3. We're in Article 3 court.
This is not an administrative court.
Are
This
we
is
in an
a
Article
part of
3
the-
court?
I mean,
That's just a simple question. I'm not trying to be difficult. I want to know what I'm walking into before
Your Honor,
I'm not trying to be difficult at all.
I would just ask
Given the
that,
nature of what's going on here, I need to know exactly what I'm,
so last time we were in court, this court agreed to continue, but said the court would expect to move forward on this date. At this point, the people would just ask that the court enter a not guilty plea on behalf of Mr. Traml and set it for a disposition date. It sounds like Mr. Traml has some philosophical beliefs about the system that don't exactly match with the facts of his situation, but that's neither here nor there.
you're citing the United States Constitution and we're governed here.
Absolutely.
I'm appointed by the state. So
Absolutely.
this is not a federal court. This is a
But
state court. So no, this is not an Article 3 court. This is a state court. All right. This is not under the United States Constitution. I am not appointed. I wasn't nominated or confirmed by any federal body. This is a state court. So no, this is
Did
not
you take an oath to the Constitution? And are these state rules repugnant to that oath? That's the only question I have.
Yes, there are state rules, and you are charged in this case with having a dangerous weapon, possessing a dangerous weapon, and having a large capacity magazine, which is prohibited. That's what you're charged with under the state law. So how do you want to move forward? You don't have an attorney. We're currently set for a appearance of counsel. So let's go ahead and set this for arraignment.
Set for arraignment?
Yes. So at that point, or you can do that today if you'd like. Plead
No.
guilty. You can either reach an agreement or you can enter a not guilty plea. Do you want to enter a not guilty plea?
No, I do not.
What do you want to do today?
What I'm saying is,
Set this for another arraignment. I need more time to figure out what.
So why don't we come back next Friday at 8:30, and at that time it'll be set for arraignment. All right?
Friday?
Friday, the 29th.
Can we do the following Friday?
That's the following Friday is the 5th. Do you have an objection?
No objection.
June 5th at 8:30,
Thank you.
and that'll be for arraignment.
nice.
Great.
Thank you, sir.
I see Mr. Traml in the back. Who's here on Mr. Traml? Which one of you? No, he's not represented by counsel. All right? Are you guys ready? Mr. Santos, Mr. Traml? Mr. Traml, come on up. 26 CR 921 Traml appearances.
Anthony Santos for the people.
And let the record reflect that we have Mr. Traml here. We're set for arraignment today. Mr. Traml, how would you like to move forward?
First of all, Your Honor, is this a court of record? Can I get a stenographic report of this proceeding?
No, we don't do stenographic recording. There's an FTR machine. It is being recorded. If you want a transcript after this hearing, you can request it.
Yes.
How do you want to move forward? Do you want to enter a plea of not guilty so that we can get this case moving? Or do you want to reach a disposition and enter a plea of guilty? How would you like to move forward?
Can you repeat that, please?
We're set for arraignment today.
Yes.
At arraignment, you can either plead guilty or not guilty.
Guilty or not guilty to what?
This is sovereign citizen behavior in action. Defendant Mr. Traml refuses to enter a plea, challenges the court's jurisdiction, and claims common law rights. The judge holds firm, enters a not guilty plea for him, and sets future court dates. Sovereign citizen tactics don't work here.
What?
To the charges.
Which are?
You are charged in this case with possession of a dangerous weapon and large capacity magazine prohibited. And let me make sure that I give you the state statutory cites. Possession of a dangerous weapon pursuant to 1812-102 subsection 3, large capacity magazine prohibited during crime, 1812-302 subsection 1, subsection 1 AC. Now, what is your plea? Guilty or not guilty?
I'm going to plead guilty or not guilty. I have a question. I do have a right to know the cause and the nature of this
You can do
particular
that.
offense.
You're not going to do that today in court. You can seek discovery. You can communicate with the district attorney's office and you can ask for discovery. How are you moving forward today? Guilty or not guilty? That's what we're doing today. You're set for arraignment. I told you last time we were here, you wanted to, if you wanted to apply for an attorney, you didn't want one?
However, under the Sixth Amendment, I do have a right to know. It affords and guarantees me the right to know the cause and nature of this particular action.
Sir,
Ma'am.
you're
and it
set
is
for
your duty
arraignment.
to tell me what the cause and nature of the action.
You're set for
Is
arraignment.
this a criminal or civil offense?
This is a criminal offense,
Okay, so
sir.
under the Constitution, there's two jurisdictions. One is under the common law and the other one is a condition of contract on the colorable elements of a.
I don't know whether or not you're getting
Which
your.
two of these jurisdictions will you
Let me
hear
tell
this
you what
case?
you're not going to do today, Mr. Traml. You are not going to interrupt me when I'm speaking. Do you understand me?
I'm not interrupting you.
Okay. Now, you are here for arraignment. And I'm
I
going to ask
understand
you
it, but you're not answering my questions. I can't adequately answer the question until
here
you
for
answer
two
mine.
criminal charges. Okay?
Okay, so is this common law or are we under the tolerable jurisdiction?
These are statutory, this is
Okay, but you're not answering my
This is not
question.
common law.
You're not answering my question. And I'm not interrupting you. I'm not being loud. I'm asking you a simple question. It's my right to know. And you're
Sir?
not telling me.
Sir, you are here pursuant to statutes. Okay?
You did not answer my question.
Okay. Sir, common law. Now,
Common law?
do you plead guilty or not guilty?
Okay, so
sir?
we're under the common law. Where is the injured party? Under the
Sir?
common law.
Sir, the people are the injured party in this case. How do you plead guilty or
We'll put
not
the
guilty?
people on the bench then.
You're going to enter a plea of not guilty today.
So
We're
now
going to
you're
set you for
practicing law from
trial.
the bench, aiding the prosecution.
Where's the paperwork? Not
The
guilty
record
plea
reflect that
enters.
Your Honor is practicing law from the bench and aiding the prosecution.
December 5th, 2026. Motions are due on July 6th, 2026. Your disposition date is scheduled for July 27th at 8:30.
You said July 6th?
July 6th, your motions are due.
And what was the other date?
And July 27th, you're set for disposition. If testimonial motions are filed,
27th?
the 27th of July. If you file testimonial motions, I'll set a motions hearing then. Thank you. Your speedy trial again is actually December 4th. We'll see you on July 27th. Thank you. Bond continues.